What's good with y'all boys? We are back another day. Today's Wednesday. I want to start things off by opening a couple packs for y'all. Over on My Funded Futures, we got a couple packs because we are about to get another eval for us to cop. We got to see if we get anything good though. 500 point card. All right, bro. Reset pack. Ooh. Hopefully we get 99% off of an eval type shit. 60% off. You may use this code any 25K. Ooh, nice. That's tough. We might use that. We might actually use that. That's pretty good. And then +1 pack. Hopefully this is the free one. I think they were just BSing last time. I think they're going to give us the free one right now. 99% off a rapid 50K. Let's go with this one. 250 points. 99%, 50% off a builder 2K account at 50% off. So they just handing out discounts. Let's go ahead and redeem this 60% off 25K account. Yeah, baby. What I'm seeing right now is clearly internal sweep, swept. Oh my God, swept a whole bunch of equal lows inside of this gap. We're probably going to inverse this 15-minute right here. So just a bunch of humming, literally a bunch of humming the entire time. Like, come on, bro. I think my plan, because we did kind of get a lot of displacement through this and we just swept London highs, but we do have a low resistance run to these highs. I want to see continuation longs. I don't really expect, because we didn't even really take out this high. I'm pretty sure we are going to though. I'm pretty sure we're gonna respect this. But if anything, I'd want to see 5-minute, like a retrace into a 5-minute gap. I want to see if we close above this. If we break structure on the 5-minute on this, if we close above that within the 5-minute candle, like I said, our targets are going to be these highs. If not, we're going to go for a 1-to-1. That's going to be our main target. We're going to be risking 2 micros. We're going to take 1 trade, and it's probably going to be a continuation off of one of these moves after just running all these highs. I kind of expect a little bit of a retracement lower. 15-minute just open right here. So I'll definitely set an alert, because I do want to see us come back down here. Maybe not really, because we did just kind of reject and expand away from it. But, you know, it's probably going to have to come out of a 5-minute. I'm not sure if this 5 minutes even going to get created. We got 4 minutes and we might just come down, fill this entire potential fair value gap, and then just continue higher. I do want to see, there is a 3-minute right here that is actually created, and kind of want to see if this 3-minute gets respected. We did just tap inside of it. 5-minute is no longer a 5-minute anymore, so this 3-minute is all we got, and there's no FEG, IFEG coming out of the 3-minute, so we're probably just gonna have to wait. Damn, we're getting the inverse. 1-minute inverse. Changing the state, inverse fair value gap. Is this something we target to the 15-minute lows? I mean, we have a low resistance run. Actually, never mind. We do have a kind of a retrace bias for shorts. Short term, I don't think it's that bad. Definitely just got our inverse right here. We are sitting inside this 3-minute. I do want to see this 3-minute kind of get filled. Or my bad, inversed. I'm tripping. Even though we are long bias, we did get our short inverse plus a change in the state of delivery right here. So to me, it kind of screams retracement slash short-term short bias while we hunt this 15-minute gap. I'm not gonna necessarily hunt for it or target it necessarily. I'm gonna go for a 1-to-1, and then I'm gonna hold a runner until we get to that level. So 1-to-1 at 22 points, I'm gonna take out a contract, and then I'm gonna hold until we get to that 15-minute. Yeah, that's gonna be the trade for the day. Of course, my camera's overheating, because why wouldn't it, right? This is the trade setup. Just so y'all know, we swept internal liquidity after sweeping these highs right here, coming up above Asia highs. We're in a bullish uptrend, but we did just get this bearish inverse fair value gap inside of this 3-minute. This 3-minute is trying to hold price right now, but I do want to see us have a retracement leg to the downside here, targeting either this 15-minute gap or this big ass 30-minute gap that is going to be created a little bit later. So, you know, I have a pretty strong bias. Plus, we're only going for a 1-to-1s. You know, I'm okay with this. This looks good for me. We're going to go break even once we hit this buy limit and then, you know, see how the rest of the trade plays out. Let me know if y'all took any good trades this morning. Make sure to subscribe too. I forgot to say subscribe. We're on the road to 200 subs. Like the video too. All right. So it actually turns out I had to turn this back on because, you know, your boy's changing and shit, but it looks like we're about to hit our take profit one already. I'm gonna give it about 2 more minutes. I might have left a little early. We are getting at this move lower. Hopefully we don't get edged and then price runs to our stop loss, but it don't look terrible. This looks like a pretty, oh wow, of course it does, right? Of course it does, right? Of course this does, and we just completely, I mean, our goal is lower highs and lower lows. We got to see some type of move lower here. I'm over here thinking I'm gonna come back on here. You know, I get to go break even, show y'all a nice winning trade. Oh, okay, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. 70. There we go. There we go. One good push lower. Sellers are running out of strength. I ain't gonna lie. They are BSing like crazy right now. We're about to get it though. Take profit one did just get hit. We're only going for a 1-to-1 stinger right now. So we are at break even. We're going to hold this. I know we're not going for a lot, but who gives a damn? You know what I'm saying? We're just trying to maximize our profits. We made about 40 bucks, right? Our goal is to make 1,500. We're probably going to get stopped at break even, but you know, that's fine. We're in profit, so it's not a big deal. Our next profit target is going to be this low right here at this 15-minute. It's going to be where our runner is going to take us towards. We got about 22 points, 88 ticks. Our next target is going to be at about 57 points or 228 ticks. And that's going to be where we see our actual move, where we make most of our money for the day. All right, now I got to go. Peace.